In a constant search to attract great people in a highly uncertain economic environment, a growing number of organizations, including Google, Delta, Starbucks, and more, have fully endorsed the belief that happiness at work is key to job attractiveness, performance, profitability, and employee loyalty. In fact, putting employee happiness at the top of your business goals is a guaranteed strategy for success. Companies with happy employees outperform the competition by 20%. Happiness in the workplace raises sales by 37% and productivity by 31%. Happy employees take 10 times fewer sick days, and they stay twice as long on their jobs. On the other hand, detecting key soft skills such as honesty, dedication, loyalty, true motivations, and intentions should be a vital part of your selection process. As proven statistically, relying on your guts could get you into trouble. According to the FBI, employee theft is the fastest growing crime and could represent the biggest threat to the future of your organization. It's bigger than identity theft, cyber fraud, credit card theft, and internet scams. It accounts for $50 billion in annual losses and causes 33% of all bankruptcies. Need more facts? It is estimated that 81% of applicants lie during recruitment interviews, and 78% of resumes contain serious falsifications. So the question is, how do you hire for happiness while ensuring you do not put your organization at risk? Create your free HireBox testing account and start hiring with confidence.